Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given the equation, which is expressing the approximate height h of a ball t seconds after it is launched. And we're asked, given this equation, approximately how many seconds will it take for the ball to hit the ground? So what does it mean for the ball to hit the ground? Well, that means the height h is going to be equal to 0, right? You're 0 meters off the ground, that means you're on the ground. So if we plug in 0 for h and then solve for t, that'll give us our solution. So we have 0 instead of h is equal to negative 4.9 t squared plus 25 t. First thing we want to do is we want to solve for t. So pulling out a t from both of these, we get t times negative 4.9, and then you're pulling out a t from t squared, that means there's still a t in there, and then plus 25, and we've pulled out the only t. So for this product to be equal to 0, either t has to be equal to 0 or negative 4.9t plus 25 has to be equal to 0, right? And these are your two solutions. T equals 0 is already in its final form. Adding 4.9t to both sides for this one, this cancels and we get 25 is equal to 4.9t dividing by 4.9. We get t is equal to 25 over 4.9, which is going to be really close to our 25 over 5, which is 5. So, approximately how many seconds will it take for the ball to hit the ground? Well, it seems like we have two answers here. We have 0 and 5. And that is the case because you have to consider t equals 0 refers to the ball right as it's being thrown. So it's starting on the ground, right here, it's being thrown up, and then roughly 5 seconds later, it's back on the ground. And so this equation right here, which is representing this parabola arc, is actually picking up on both of these occurrences where it's on the ground. So we're not thinking about when it is first being thrown, we're thinking about when it's coming back down and hitting it later. So it's not going to be represented by 0, it's going to be represented by 5. And again, it's technically not exactly 5 because 25 divided by 4.9 is a little bit different than 25 over 5. The denominators are a little bit different, but it's going to be closest to 5. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.